You ever look at your paycheck and then you look at your bills and you just wonder, where did it all go? That feeling of working harder than ever but somehow just treading water? Well, that is exactly what we're talking about today. This is the great middle class squeeze of 2026. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? If that $5,000 paycheck feels like it's gone by the second week of the month, listen, you are not crazy. You're living through a massive economic shift, and we're going to unpack exactly what's happening. All right, so let's get right into it. We're going to start by looking at how the whole idea of a comfortable life has been completely flipped on its head. I mean, think about it. For decades, a $60,000 a year salary was the ticket. It was the American dream, right? You could get a house, a decent car, even a couple of vacations. But now, in 2026, that same salary puts you smack dab in the middle of this intense financial pressure. The promise has basically turned into a struggle. Okay, so where is all this pressure actually coming from? Let's follow the money, or, where the money disappears to, starting with the most obvious culprits. First up, something we all feel every single week, the gas pump. Geopolitical tensions are flaring up, and that has sent gas prices through the roof, hitting record highs this April. I mean, just filling up your car to get to work has become a major weekly expense. And it doesn't stop when you park your car at home. Nope. Take a look at this. Utility bills are just skyrocketing. Electricity costs alone have jumped a wild 15% in just the last 6 months. It's insane. And this is where it gets really real. We're not just talking about numbers on a page anymore. These are the tough, sometimes impossible choices that real families are having to make every single day. But here's the thing. It's not just the obvious bills that are getting you. There's something else going on. A kind of hidden thief that's quietly stealing value right out from under you. And that hidden thief has a name you've probably heard: shrinkflation. It's the super sneaky trick where companies just make their products a little smaller, but the price? Oh, that stays exactly the same, or, believe it or not, sometimes it even goes up. Here is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Your average box of cereal. The one you buy in 2026 is 20% smaller than the one you bought just 2 years ago, and yet you're paying the exact same price. You are literally paying more to get less. This quote just nails the feeling, doesn't it? It's like you're on a treadmill running as fast as you can, but for every step forward you take, someone moved the finish line 2 steps back. It's exhausting, and it just feels like you're falling further and further behind. Okay, get ready for this, because this number it's just staggering. When you add everything up, the gas, the bills, the smaller cereal boxes, that $5,000 monthly paycheck in 2026, it only has the buying power of $2,000 from back in 2019. Think about that for a second. More than half of its value has just vanished. So, what do? I mean, if all the old rules are broken, what does the new playbook even look like? How do you not just survive, but maybe even get ahead in this environment? Well, first things first, we have to throw out some of that old school advice. The whole just stick your money in a savings account thing? That's a recipe for losing now. Your money is losing value way faster than any interest can build it up. It's just not going to cut it. So what is working? Well, the folks who are winning are taking a 2-part approach. First, they're diversifying into assets that can hold up against inflation. And second, they're getting creative, using new tools like AI to build up extra income streams on the side. And really, that's the key takeaway here. Look, this crisis is absolutely real. There's no denying that. But inside every crisis, there's also an opportunity. It's a chance to pivot, to think differently, and find new ways to adapt and succeed. So now I want to turn it over to you. Are you feeling this squeeze in your city? Drop a comment below and tell us what's hitting your wallet the hardest each month. Let's get a real conversation going about this. And as always, stay smart and stay invested.